Music. Writing fiction is a truly beautiful, amazing, satisfying thing. Imagine putting your own words on a page to tell a story, which enters your readers' minds and allows them to share the thoughts, emotions, and lives of your characters. It is a very rewarding experience. In this course, you will write your first novel. Many people say they have a great desire to write a novel, but very few actually ever do it. But in this class, you will do it. You will learn how to form a basic idea, any idea, into a structure and discipline that will allow you to create, write, and complete a fully realized novel, ready to submit it for publication. You'll learn to break down the creative process into components, and you'll discover a way of writing that will allow you to do what few have done. Reduce and complete a full-length work of fiction in the form of a 50,000-word novel. I'm a proponent of experiential learning, also known as active learning. Basically, that means you will learn by doing, and that is writing. My lectures are short and succinct, sometimes only a couple of minutes long, but this course is designed in a step-by-step process that is essential to your success as a writer. I will guide you. I will show you how to get there. Hopefully, I will inspire you. I will help you format your writing into the novel form, but very important, I won't tell you what to write. That is up to you. You are the only one who can illustrate your creative thoughts by writing them. I firmly believe that the only way to